Yukon Tree Removal Service, we believe that trimming your trees and shrubs is very important. This will help your plants grow better and stay healthier in the long run. Also, if there are trees and shrubs that with any kind of disease, removing or trimming away the dead part will stop the spread of disease to other areas and save the tree or shrub. We typically price trimming per tree or shrub since every plant can present a different set of challenges or issues. It is very important to understand that different species of trees or shrubs will cost different amounts to uproot or fix. This is because their roots might be harder to remove or more have foliage to prune. Additionally, they may have restrictive access branch patterns for cutting. If you have exceptionally tall trees, we may need our specialized equipment to reach their branches. Trees that may have grown in odd ways could be more difficult to access and therefore are usually more expensive to trim. Trees that have grown around power lines may be dangerous to trim. In some cases, we may charge a little more to do this, since we cannot just let the branches fall to the ground around power lines. Each branch must be roped and lowered gently to the ground and will require much more labor. The larger the tree trimming project, the more felled wood it produces. We can leave the wood for your fireplace, or we can haul it away. In this case you will need to add the cost of cutting and splitting the wood to your total costs if you prefer not to cut the wood yourself. Grinding a stump down to the ground is a straightforward job that can usually be priced easily at an hourly rate. However, if you need the stump removed completely, you may be looking at a much higher cost. You will not always know how large or complex a tree's root system might be, until you start to excavate a stump. It may take considerably more time than you bargained for. Unless you absolutely need a stump removed, you might consider grinding it down and leaving it. The good news is, when you work with us, there are no surprises. We will do a comprehensive assessment of your trees and shrubs and give you a totally free written estimate before we start. Yukon offers emergency 24-hour service as well as scheduled service calls. Call us now at 703-988-4701 or visit us online at yukontreeremovalservice.com.
Thanks for sticking with us so far. If you have any questions about our services, then please do give us a call on the number you see on the screen right now.